Before a single jar of watermelon jam is made, the journey begins here. Across these endless farms, more than 1 million perfectly ripe.
Within minutes of arriving, thousands of freshly harvested watermelons enter the receiving station. Advanced unloading systems and skilled workers keep the production line moving around the clock.
Before entering production, every watermelon is thoroughly cleaned. Powerful food-grade washdowns combine high-pressure purified water, guarantee hygiene and food is processed.
After washing, the watermelons enter fully automated cutting machines.
Flow rate is looking stable.
Precision blades slice each fruit. Advanced systems separate the juicy red flesh from the...
Now the juicy watermelon flesh enters powerful extraction machines. Advanced separators gently remove every seed while preserving the fresh fruit pulp. The result is a smooth...
This is where the real transformation begins. Fresh watermelon pulp is slowly cooked inside giant steam-heated kettles. Sugar, natural fruit pectin, and a touch of lemon.
To achieve the perfect texture, the jam is gently concentrated under vacuum. This advanced process removes excess more and carefully tested before it moves to the packaging line.
Before packaging, every glass jar is thoroughly sterilized using high-temperature steam to ensure complete precision. Every jar undergoes final inspection. High-speed labeling prepares them for the market, while robotic lines pack thousands of cartons every hour. From here, the finished watermelon jam begins its journey worldwide. From millions of fresh watermelons. Every step of this journey and teamwork, delivering countless jars across the world.